Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is absolutely perfect for protecting your brand new Nintendo Switch 2. So if you're in the market looking for a great hard case or maybe a bunch of accessories to protect the various screen and Joy-Cons, this is the perfect product for you. So this was sent over by a company called Dockteck. It's gonna come in this little box right here. Once you open it up, you're gonna get everything you need. So obviously you're gonna get the hard shell case. This thing is water and scratch resistant. As you can see, it looks like a certain individual's suspenders. But before we go over this, let's go over the other accessories. So first off, you are gonna get these nice little silicone straps that can go over your Joy-Cons. They're obviously colored the exact same way, so you can add a little pop of color to your Nintendo Switch. You're also gonna get these little covers that go over the little thumb stick. Once again, each ones are a little colored. You're gonna get 4 of them, and obviously you only have 2 of them. So you can go ahead and put them on your Nintendo Switch, or if you have even the Pro Controller, you can put them on that. But once again, it just makes it a little easier to grip, and then also adds a little pop of color. Now, also importantly, you gotta protect the screen from scratches, and so they include 2 tempered glass screen protectors. Very, very easy to put on. So first off, you're gonna wanna go ahead and grab the wet wipe. You're gonna wipe down your whole screen, then you're gonna grab the dry wipe. You're gonna go ahead and wipe everything down as well. Then it's gonna include some little stickers here. You're gonna utilize this to get any little bits of dust that is left over. Go ahead and remove your Joy-Cons. So just simply pop those off, and now you've got your monitor nice and exposed. It's gonna come with this little bright kind of tangerine little frame. Go ahead and put that over your Nintendo Switch 2, and this is gonna make it so this screen perfectly aligns and keeps you from getting it off kilter or getting any of the bubbles. So then you're gonna go ahead and peel off the part that says the back, and you're gonna start in the corner and just go ahead and slide it down and make sure it's got a nice fit. It's gonna be great because of the frame. I absolutely love that aspect of it. And then you can peel off the outer little film itself, and you are good to go. But now let's go ahead and talk about the case itself, because this is gonna be the long-term protection that you're gonna be carrying around with you. So first, just undo the little buttons over the suspenders. It does have dual zippers, so just go ahead and unzip them. It's got a nice tight joint at the zipper, so once again helps with that water if it's raining on you or anything like that. And then once you open it up, you're gonna see it's got a nice compartment here for your Switch 2, and obviously you can have it with the Joy-Cons on there, which is a nice little aspect of it. It also does have the little elastic bands to make sure it stays nice and secure when it's in there, so it has a nice good fit. It also does have a little padded protection here that's gonna go over the screen itself. On the other side of that, you're gonna have a slot for 10 cards. So this is a nice little feature. If you do have any of the gaming cards and you're not digital or whatnot, you wanna bring them with you, you can do that. You can just slide your cards in there. And then at the top, you can see has a nice wide mesh pouch for all your other accessories like your cables and things like that. Or if you do like the mouse mode and whatnot, those little accessories. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great hard storage case for your Nintendo Switch 2, this one is totally worth checking out. Hey, if there's something I haven't covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.